Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
An affidavit is a sworn statement of facts, crucial for legal proceedings. It serves as your personal testimony, presented as evidence. Therefore, every detail within it must be absolutely truthful and accurate. Misrepresenting any facts, even unintentionally, can have serious legal consequences and undermine your credibility. Always ensure what you write is honest and verifiable, providing a solid foundation for your case. To ensure your affidavit is robust, always begin by meticulously collecting all relevant documents and information. Gather any supporting evidence, like emails, receipts, or contracts, that corroborate your statements. Organize all dates, names, and specific events in a clear, chronological order. Accuracy is absolutely paramount here, so double-check every single detail before you start writing to build a strong, factual foundation. When writing your affidavit, it is essential to clearly state your full legal name and current address right at the very beginning. Then, describe all events and facts in a clear, concise, and strictly chronological order. Always use simple, straightforward language and avoid any complex legal jargon or personal opinions. Focus solely on presenting the facts as you know them, making your statement easy to understand and legally sound. A critical step is signing your affidavit in front of an authorized official, typically a notary public or commissioner of oaths. This official will first confirm your identity, usually requiring a valid form of identification. They will then witness your signature, ensuring it is genuinely yours. This process legally authenticates your sworn statement, giving it the necessary legal weight and making it admissible in court. Once your affidavit is signed and notarized, always remember to make several clear copies for your personal records before you submit it. The original document must then be submitted to the court or the relevant party, strictly adhering to any specified deadlines. It is crucial to keep at least one copy for your personal files as proof of submission, ensuring you have a complete record of your official statement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.